I am sick and tired of you kicking and screaming on the floor like a big baby.
You know what? You asked for it. I will not blow up the entire place with a bomb.
Hey, where do you think you're going? Get back here.
Everyone, run for your lives. Dave is going to blow up the Kids Park building. Absolutely not. Dave Franklin Johnson. You have no idea how much trouble you're in right now. How fucking dare you blow up the entire indoor playground? I have had absolutely enough. I'm now calling the police. You are also banned from my property forever.
What happened here? I heard a bomb explosion.
Dave blew up the Kids Park place. He threw a temper tantrum like a big baby, all because he could not be able to go on the play area, so that is what happened.
Dave, are you serious right now? You blew up the entire place up. I'm very angry at you. You now have to pay $50,000 to rebuild the place. If you do not pay the property $50,000 in 1 month, you will go to jail. Do you understand me?
Well, I'm sorry, officer. I understand.
Good. Now get out of here.